how to fix slow font animation on Samsung Android. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on settings. In settings, we scroll down and tap on developer options. Now from here, scroll down and tap on quick settings, developer tools, and then tap on window animation scale. Tap on it to switch it on. Now if you swipe down at the top here, you can quickly turn on animation or you can switch it off. This will allow you to quickly turn off slow animation on Samsung phone. Now alternatively, you can scroll down and go into developer options. In here, if you scroll all the way down, you can also turn off transition, animation scale, duration scale, and window animation scale. So you can turn those off or you can set it to 1x. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.